Hi, my name is Antonella Di Giulio, and I am the founder and owner of Voom Talent Center, and I am the creator behind the Web Piano Academy. Today, we're going to learn how to play a simple C major scale. Okay, the C major scale obviously starts on the C with finger number 1, and then we will have this sequence of fingerings, 1, 2, 3. Then we will move the thumb under the third finger without moving our hand, without moving our arm or elbow, and then we will continue, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and for now we will stop here, and then we will go back, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We hide the thumb again with our hand, without moving the hand, without moving the elbow, without moving the arm, just using the thumb to go to the third finger. 3, 2, 1. Very simple. Have fun practicing.